Hey there everybody, welcome back. Today we've got an essential skill you're gonna really use a lot, setting up a Jira notification for when a user exceeds the amount of time you've allocated. This feature can be a lifesaver for project management, keeping everyone accountable and preventing tasks from snowballing out of control. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be a master at creating customized Jira automation rules, ensuring your projects stay on track. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open up your Jira project. On the left-hand side of your screen, you're going to see a sidebar. Go on and select Project Settings there. Now you're looking for something called Automation or Project Automation in the Settings menu. This is where the magic happens. Next up, it's time to create a new rule. Look for a button in the top right of your screen. It's usually labeled Create Rule. Give that a click. Got it? Great. Now we're going to set up our trigger. This is fundamentally the event that sets the whole process into motion. You're going to select Work Log Trigger from the list here and click Save. Now here's where things start to get a little complicated, but don't worry, we'll break it down. We need to add an if condition. Click New Component, then select Condition, and finally look for the Advanced Compare condition. This is where we set what the rule looks at. The next screen's gonna have you input a couple of values. These are called smart values. They help Jira do some neat calculations. The first value should be the total time spent. You can input this by typing the following: trigger issue worklog time spent seconds sum. What we're setting here is a condition. It's pretty straightforward. You're just going to choose greater than. For the second value, you're going to specify your time threshold. Now remember, you need to put this in seconds. So if your limit is 4 hours, you'd put 14,400 here. That's 4 hours times 60 minutes times 60 seconds. Once everything is set, hit Save. Okay, now it's time to create our action, the notification that will be sent. Find New Component, select Action, and then choose Send Email. You're making good progress, keep it up. Here's where you get to personalize your notification. The recipient can be whoever you want, the assignee, project lead, a specific user or group, or really any email address. Then with the subject, enter a clear message using smart values if desired. Something like time spent exceeded on issue.key would work. In the content field, write your notification message. It could be something as simple as the total time logged on this issue has exceeded the threshold. Once that's all set, hit Save. Alright, last step, just name your rule something clear and descriptive like notify when time spent exceeds 4 hours, and then all that's left to do is turn it on. And there you have it, all set with a new Jira automation rule. This function is going to help you keep a handle on those time-consuming tasks and ensure everyone stays productive. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and comment below with any questions. I'm here to help. Oh, and if you want more of these tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, keep automating.